So I like to provide my students with as many opportunities for independence in the classroom as possible. And that means that they need to take on different forms of responsibility. So one of the easiest ways to do this is by allowing students to take their own attendance every morning. So one way that this can be done is through a Google form. So in classrooms that have access to computers, tablets, and iPads, students will come in every morning and scan a QR code. With this QR code, it will take them to this Google form. Then the student will be able to choose their name. This will be their form of attendance. And then pick what they are having for lunch today. They can choose I am buying lunch or I brought my own lunch. This puts this on record for me. Then it asks a very important question of how are you today? Students will be able to see different answers written out and also have images of these answers written out for those who may need it. So if a student answers amazing or good, then they will be done with the form. But if they answer okay, not good, or terrible, then it will take them to a different question. So if we answer not good, it then asks them if they want to talk about it. The students can then answer yes or no. If they answer yes, then I will go and talk to them at some point that morning. If they answer no, then that's okay. It's still good to have on record so that I know why a student may not be meeting expectations that day or may not be interacting like they should. I will know to keep an eye on these students. So if we pick yes, it says, I will talk to you soon. And that's all that they have to do for attendance. It's a really good check-in with every student every single morning. And then as a teacher, I'm able to look through each of the responses every single day and keep record of who's there and what they said.